At Toyota Motor Manufacturing, Kentucky, Toyota's largest plant outside of Japan, the body weld department handles 1.8 million parts annually. The plant previously transported all of its parts and subassemblies by manned tow tractors, but that was inefficient. The distance between loads was long and burdened with 16 stops. The resulting traffic flow problems sometimes resulted in lost time and damaged goods from parts banging up against each other. The solution came in the form of automated guided vehicles, or AGVs. Toyota tow tractors were retrofitted to be automated and equipped with obstacle and guidance sensors, radio frequency modems and identification tag readers, a touchscreen programmable logic controller interface, and other technology. The AGVs can now tow up to 5 racks of parts and reduce the number of needed stops from 16 to 9, which trimmed 35 seconds per cycle. That adds up to an annual labor savings of 317 days and shortened team member travel by 978 miles per year. By eliminating flow racks and pallets, floor space savings averaged almost 37 square feet per process. With the extra room on the line, a team member can now move to a new cell and almost instantly start loading parts as the AGV arrives. An important benefit of the AGVs has been lower labor requirements, with TMMK body weld moving 42 people to higher value-added jobs. Based on labor costs alone, the average payback for the AGV system in this department has been just over 1 year. Through the implementation of these AGVs, TMMK realized an annual overall savings of approximately $1 million. This has been considered a great success in exploring and implementing new technologies, and TMMK is already looking at how to leverage AGV technology in other parts of the plant. Contact us today to see how Toyota AGVs can help your business save money, time, and increase efficiency.